to Discussing Disc Golf. All right, here we go. 5 best mid-range discs for beginners. Now, I'm also going to do intermediates, which are different discs. So that was too long of a title to do 5 best mid-range for beginners and 5 best mid-rangers for intermediate. Let's start with the beginners. Now, this is the Echo. This came in my gyro box last year. I actually haven't thrown this. Buddy in my disc golf group threw it and liked it. Numbers on this are 5.5, -1, 2, -1.5, and 1. So it's going to move a little more right than it will go straight. I've heard good things about the Echo. In the research I did, a bunch of other people's videos, the Echo came up some. So this is going to, it does feel really good. For lower speed arms, this will be a great disc. All right, for beginners, again, the Reactor. This is 5.5, 0.5, 1.5. Won't move as far right as this one. Now this one's beat in because it's in my back. So this will move at least 1.5 right. And this is a fission plastic, which means the micro bubbles in here are supposed to get less weight in this part so that there's more weight at the edge. I don't have anything to compare it to. This is the only Reactor I've ever had. I like it, but it's understable. Good for a beginner. But some of these can grow with you. So I'm an intermediate. This is one of those. This might turn over, but this is a great for both. All right, hex. Got 2 hexes here. I've never thrown this. This came in my gyro box last year. It's a recycled plastic one. I'm assuming it would fly the same as my regular one. I don't know though. Okay, great disc though for beginners, also for intermediate. It's a pretty straight flyer, 5.5, -1, 1. It'll move a little right and a little left. It's a great disc. It feels really good. So if you compare it to the Reactor, it comes up, I'm not sure what it's called, but it comes up higher there than this part. A little different, but the bottom feels the same. It just has more of a, it's not dome, but it comes up. Need to learn some terminology here. Great disc though. I do need to compare these, see if the plastics fly any different. All right, another great intermediate disc, mid-range, is the Mako 3. Which is one of my favorite discs as a beginner, by far. I don't really throw it now because as your arm speed goes up to intermediate, this 5.5, 0, 0, it turns into more like 5.5, -2, 0. So if you want that, that's fine. It's going to turn over, but you know, that's if you throw it faster than 5. Great disc. This is a Champion plastic. I'm not going to get into a plastics discussion. Okay. This came in my gyro box too. This is a Balance. So of all these, this is 5.5, 0, 2. So this is the most stable of all these. Still a great disc though, because it just comes out of, at least my hand, it came out so well. I threw it a lot as a beginner, even though it was stable. It's not in my bag right now, but because I have some other ones there we'll talk about. Those are great intermediate mid-ranges. All right, now to move on to great mid-ranges for intermediate. That doesn't mean you can't throw these as a beginner, but they're going to come close to what they're supposed to do as an intermediate. All right, Wasp. I use this as an approach disc. It has a bead. It's 5.3, 0.2. So it's not going to rise. It's not going to get lots of, glide. It's going to stay low, but you can throw it hard. It'll pretty much do what you want it to do. It'll be stable. If you want to go left, you can still throw a hard right. It'll come left. Forehand, backhand, this is great, great all-around disc for intermediate. All right, method 5503. So this has way more glide than the Wasp. This is my one and only ace disc. I took it out of my bag. I really should put it back in. Plastic is great. 5503. All right. This is kind of the mid that took its place. Pyro. It's a Pyro. 5402.5. So a little less glide than the Method, more than the Wasp. It's still going to give you a dependable finish. I don't like that word. I don't know why. This one, the rim feels really, really good. It doesn't have a bead like the Method. See, so the sides are pretty similar. This has more dome, and it's deeper, and it has a bead, which is okay. This Wasp also has a bead. See, those are very, very similar. Wow. This goes up higher there. I need to learn what that word is. So this is a little flatter. Forehand, it comes out smooth. It just feels so good. And this is a little even more stable. It's not in my bag right now, but I have used it before. This is a deflector. This is 5 something. 3.504. So it's gonna go hard left, very stable. That's probably why I took it out. It feels really good. It feels identical to this Pyro, honestly. No bead. They look almost identical, but this is going to go further left. 4 instead of a 2.5 on the fade. But these are really, really good discs for intermediate. So that's my list. Comment if you agree, disagree, if you want to add one that I missed. Best disc for beginners, mid-range, and intermediate. All right, see you in the next one.